PNP wants investigation into death threats against sitting MPs. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chizom. Also this evening, JLP says Thursday's win in Portland Eastern by-election is part of strategy to target PNP safe seats. Man shot by Junction Police in St. Elizabeth, but was he mentally ill? Conflicting details. And new KFC opens in Harborview, St. Andrew. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay tuned. The news in detail right after this break.